Are you the only one that's doing romantic gestures? Meaning, you do the romantic gestures because you think of that person, right? But when is the last time that that person has done a romantic gesture for you? Now, some of y'all will say, oh, he talks sexy or she talks sexy to me. That ain't a motherfucking romantic gesture. When has the last time that this person has sent you flowers, decided to take you on a nice romantic date, actually planned something out for you? Are you the one that's consistently having to plan everything because this person is in their own fucked up mentality? Meaning, whatever goes on in their life, it is way more important than you. Not only that, you go out of your way to do certain things and they do not recognize it, nor do they match the energy. When is enough enough? Start walking away from these people. Don't be afraid to move forward. Because I'm so sick of folks blaming another person for hurting them. The person cannot hurt you. You are hurting you in your relationship. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? He's the one that's doing it or she's the one that's doing it. Why are you staying? Why are you staying in a relationship that is so non-beneficial for you? Or a situationship, or a friendship, or a familyship, or a mentorship, or something that is not balanced to you, that you feel you are supposed to stick in that. One thing's for sure and two things for certain. If I'm not having my happiness added to, my peace is disrupted, you are not giving the same in return, I gotta constantly beg you over and over and over, I gotta chase you, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. After a while, you just gonna see me disappear. I suggest people start doing this to let folks know you're serious about your own emotions. You care about your own happiness and your own balance. No, this don't make you selfish. This makes you a person that is selfless with themselves. You choose you first. Because if the person is adding on to you, with your happiness, then it's no brainer. Y'all will work together. There shouldn't be no fighting or restraints. What is the purpose? But if you cannot, deuces.